Hello, today is Sunday. I'm just heading out. I was like cringing so hard when I was watching one of my videos, so I deleted it. So I'm just gonna show you the TBR once again. Let's just pretend that uh, that video didn't happen. So I bought three books recently. One is Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. Another one is Starless Sea by Erin Morgenstern. I bought these two from Blossoms. I went all the way to Blossoms to buy these books because I was really interested in reading this. I heard really good things about it. So I want to read these books. So I bought these two books. And I also bought another book from a place called as Book Hive. I was searching for Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, first book, first edition. I told you, right? I finally found it. I'm so happy I finally found it. Book Hive had it, so I finally found this book, and I'm really happy because my collection is now complete, and I'm extremely happy that I found this book. Um, so now it's complete, my collection. So I'm happy about that. So I bought these three books recently. I deleted that video, so that's why I'm showing it to you again, because I just want to like keep these things in my YouTube. So yeah. That really doesn't make sense, but I think you got it. Yeah, so today is Sunday, and today I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just don't know. Like, I just feel like going out because it's been like so long that I went somewhere and did something. So I thought, like, okay, let me just go out somewhere and just do something. Yeah, like somewhere nearby, because I don't really feel like traveling anywhere. And I don't know, I've been to all the places like so many times. I don't really feel like going or doing anything like these days. Yeah, like the interest kind of goes off after you have done like everything possible that you can do in the city. Yeah, like I've done like everything possible that I can do in the city, and I've been everywhere, I've done everything, I've eaten everything, and I've done it so many times, like multiple times, all my life. So now it's like, what do I even do? Like, even if I feel like, if even if I think about like going to like a pub or a bar, like somewhere close by or anywhere, I don't really feel like going, because I'll be like, oh, I've done that so many times, I'd rather sit at home. But then even sitting at home is kind of like, oh, I've been at home from so long, I just want to go somewhere. Yeah, so I'm just like gonna go somewhere nearby and like just spend the day outside. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Yeah, so um that's what I'm gonna do today. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do or where exactly I'm gonna go. I'm just like planning on going somewhere nearby. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably watch something or listen to audiobook or probably read for some time. I'm not sure. Like, whatever mood I'm in when I go out, I'll probably do that and come back. Yeah. I'm wearing this. I think I already showed you this top. I'm pairing it with my linen pant. I don't know if it is linen or if it is lyocell or something. I'm not sure what material it is. let me just show you what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. Uh, yeah. So this top, I like the back. The back is kind of open, so I really like the back because my dragons. Yeah. So this is what I'm wearing.
If it's wrong, your hands are tough, but they are rare. Might be wrong, I'll ബാക്കി പോയി
Aru.
തന്നെയെന്ന് അവളാണെങ്കിൽ വെളി വരുന്നില്ല ഇവിടെ കാര്യം എന്നെ കണ്ടിട്ടൊന്നും വന്നേ ഇല്ല അവള്
Aru uniform കാണിക്കാറു.
ആരൊക്കെ പേരൻസ് വന്നാ എല്ലാവരും ഇന്ന് വിടും 11:30. ഇത് വേണ്ട മമ്മ ബാഗിനകത്ത് കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് എടുത്തിട്ട് വെള്ളം കുടിച്ചാ പുതിയ പാട്ട് നീ മാംഗോ ഓ തിന്നാ മാംഗോ തിന്നു ആര് തന്ന് മാംഗോ തുറന്നാര് തന്ന് ആന്റി തന്നാ ഇങ്ങനെ കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല നാളെ നോക്കുമ്പോ മാപ്പിൽ തരാം കേട്ടോ നാളെ സ്റ്റാർ ആരയച്ചെന്ന് ആര് തൊട്ടെന്ന് ബേബ സ്റ്റാർ ബേബി യൂണിഫോം വരും ഓക്കെ
So hi, today is Tuesday. What am I doing today? I'm doing nothing. Yeah, so yesterday the whole day I was playing with my niece, and then no, I was playing with my niece the whole day, and then I was sleeping, then I was listening to music. I think that's it that I did yesterday. Yeah, and today my niece joined kindergarten, so that happened today, and then later that's it. Like I got up at 6 o'clock, and then I was listening to music. Then my niece went to kindergarten, and my other niece came home and she's sleeping. Um, then I was carrying my niece for some time. Then I had a mango. Then I had a mango, and then I had breakfast. Uh, I think that's it. That happened today. Yeah, so I don't really have any plans. I don't have any plans today. I don't know what I'll do. I'll I seriously don't know what I'll do. I'll probably watch something. I feel like watching something, so I'll probably watch something, I guess. Yeah. So that's what's been happening. And like when I listen to LOML, that song by Taylor Swift, I feel like some of the lines in that song like trigger my tear glands. Yeah, like first 5 to 6 times I listened to it, I started crying. But now I feel like crying. I'm not crying, but I feel like crying. Like some of the lines in that song is like so sad. Like what is it? I felt a glow like this, never before, never since. Holy Ghost, you told me I'm the love of your life. And then what I'll still see it till I till the day I die. You're the loss of my life. Yeah, these are the lines that kind of trigger my tear glands. Yeah, like whenever I listen to it, I feel like crying. Yeah, it's very sad, right? Like I think that song is so sad. Like that, when I don't know, it's like really sad if you think about it. Yeah, but I really like it. It's so nice. I really like that song, and yeah, there are so many sad songs, there are so many angry songs, there's so many, like it's like a mix of everything. Like it's really nice. I'm still listening to it. Yeah, I'm still listening to it. I think I'll probably listen to it for another 1 year or so. I guess 1 year or 2 years till she releases another album. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep listening to it for some more time, for a very long time. Yeah. So that's what happened. What else happened? I think that's it that happened. Yeah. Uh, what else do I want to tell you? I don't remember. Um, yeah, these days I'm not taking cold shower anymore. These days I take hot shower because it's not that hot outside. It's raining these days and the temperature has cooled down. So these days I take hot shower. Yeah, I've started taking hot shower again, and because I fell sick last week, I got fever, so I stopped taking cold shower after that. I take hot shower now. Yeah, so that happened, and then yeah, yesterday I walked 10,000 steps, so I'm feeling better. I'm feeling energetic again. I'm feeling happy again. I'm feeling energetic again. I'm back to normal. Yeah, so I'm feeling better now. Um, what else happened? I think that's it that happened. I don't know. I'm like thinking what to tell you. That video I deleted, right? What did I tell you in that video? I forgot. Yeah, I forgot what all I spoke about in that video. Yeah. So now I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably take shower. I didn't take shower in the morning, so I'll probably take shower now. Um, yeah, I'll probably take shower now, and then later I'll see what to do. Yeah. Hello, hi. Yeah, so I finished half of my walk, like 5,000 steps, and I came back home. And yeah, so now I'm like just sitting. I was eating stuff like snacks. I was eating mixture and banana chips and all that. And now I'm like just sitting. Um, yeah, I don't know what to do. Like these days, I mostly have nothing to do, and it's so amazing that I have nothing to do. I told you, right, I never get bored, so I don't really get bored. I have nothing, absolutely nothing to do, and I'm like so happy these days. Sometimes I'm not happy, but like most of the time it's like okay. And I'm like so grateful and thankful to God, that things are okay now, and things seem to be like everything seemed to be in a really good place. Um, yeah, so I'm just like grateful and happy these days. Um, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I have nothing to do, and it's like really good to have nothing to do, you know. Yeah, and most of the time I'll be like just dreaming about something, or just lying down sleeping, music. Like yeah, that's all. And it's like really good um to have nothing to do and just be at home. Yeah, like book reviews, I feel like, yeah, I'll never speak about the story of the book, right? Like I feel like when I'm like giving a book review, I feel like I don't want to like speak about the story of the book, because the story, like the gist of the story and the summary and all that, you can like find it in Goodreads, you can find it in Amazon, you can find it in Google, on, is it on or in? Find it on Goodreads, in Goodreads. You get it, right? You can find it in all these places. So I don't like feel like talking about the story of the book I'm reading, and the story. I don't want to like talk about what it's about and what happens and all that. Like, I feel that I don't want to talk about it. I like when I'm giving a book review, usually I keep it vague, and I usually say things that interests me in that book, or something that I liked in the book, or something funny that I read in the book. Yeah, I feel like I want to do that instead of like telling the story about it, because story you can find it anywhere, and you might find it a bit boring as well if I sit and tell you the story. And like, just do some work, go on Goodreads and just read about it, like what it's about and all that. And I feel that the reviews that I give, I want to keep it like short, and I want to like talk about what I learned from the book, what is my takeaway from the book, what um I liked about the book. Like, I want to keep it like that. I want to like talk about these things when I talk about a book, like a review about a book. I feel like I want to do that. Like, if I'm like giving you like a TBR and I'm like telling you like, okay, this is what the book is about, yes. But when I'm like giving, okay, there's a fly here. Yeah, what was I saying? Huh. When I'm giving the review of the book, I don't want to like tell you the story once again. I would like to tell you what it is about, and I would like to tell you. Okay, my concentration is gone. I would like to tell you. Yeah, what was I saying? Huh? I would like to tell you what I learned from the book and stuff like that. Whatever I said. Yeah. So I would like to tell you that. Uh, that's what I want the review to be about. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know if everyone talks like that. I think everyone are like that only, right? Yeah. I think everyone talks that way itself. Like, yeah, yeah, yeah. So what is the point of all this, Rachna? Yeah. So I'm just like talking something. Yeah. Thank you for listening to me. Yeah, and usually, I don't know if I told you this. I think I told you this. I don't remember, but usually when the book is like a series, I tend to like the book so much more when it's like a series of book about the same set of people who I really really love. I tend to like the book so much more. Like, if it's a standalone, I feel like I'm not like so connected to the book. But I do like a standalone when the standalone book is like well written and it moves me, and there's a fly. Oh my god! Like, it moves me, and like um, it's like it's really good. If a standalone is like that, I like a standalone book. But I prefer reading series, because I feel like I get so connected to the characters when I read series. So yeah, I feel like that. Yeah. So like, I feel so connected to the characters of Magnolia Parks. Yeah, like BJ and Magnolia is like my favorite couple, like one of my favorite couple ever. Like Nick and Charlie, BJ and Magnolia, and these two couples are my all time favorite couples. And I like others as well, like in my other books, like other standalone books. But like, since these two is like a series, I tend to like this like so much more. Like, yeah, I feel like like, you get what I'm saying. Like, it's if it's like a series, you just like get so connected to the book, so connected to the character. There's like so much of depth, and there's so much happening, and there's so much like going on, which is like so good, like which I feel like I love it so much, when it is like that. But I love reading a standalone book as well. Like, one of my favorite books are standalone books, and it's like so good. Um, yeah, but I think I like both. Yeah. Um, I like books in general. I like physical copy. I like reading on my Kindle. I like audiobooks. I just like everything to do with books, and yeah. I don't think I have anything much to say in this video, but if I have something to say, I'll probably take another video. I think I'll just end my video here. It was really nice talking to you for the last 2-3 days. Um, Thank you for sticking with me for so long and watching my videos till now. It means the world to me. Thank you for watching my videos, and it's really nice to talk to you and spend the day with you and tell you about my things and tell you about everything that's happening and my thoughts and all that. Um, it's really nice to talk to you, and I'll come back with another video sometime soon. Until then, please do like, share, subscribe, because it's all free and it'll make me happy. Bye.